guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is trying out Fenty beauty products. If you saw what I got for my birthday video, you know that I got some Fenty stuff, so today is just trying that out. The only thing that I didn't have of Fenty was I didn't have a setting powder and I didn't have a blush. And obviously the eyes is, well, obviously she does have eyeshadow palettes, but I didn't have an eyeshadow palette as well. So it is just about the foundation, the concealer, bronzer and highlighter. Oh, and this lip is all Fenty Beauty. I love it. I think it's really nice. So if you want to see how I go about putting this on my face, then please keep on watching. I'm just going to spritz my face with some of the Quick Fix from Urban Decay. Just to get a bit of moisture in, and then we can crack on with mostly Fenty stuff, I do believe. And I don't have a blush, which is going to annoy me. Right, so the first thing I'm going to go into is the Pro Filter Primer Soft Matte. I generally don't use primers anymore just because I forget. But I really want to do it because one, the packaging is just really, really lovely. And with it saying soft matte, I'm thinking, oh, is that going to be alright for the summer? Because I'm not oily. I am actually quite dry, but in the summer, because I perspire, I'm finding that everything's just sliding off, so I'm hoping this can, like, you know, help me out. So let's try it. I didn't even try it on the counter because the one that they had wouldn't pump, or there was none left or something with it anyway. So that's what it looks like. It's in a nudie shade. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel silicone-y, but let me see once I start, because usually you can tell it's silicone. It don't feel silicone at all. It actually feels like a really thick moisturizer. I'm not feeling any silicone-iness at all. Oh, that's really nice. Then again, it's more of a matte one rather than a pore filler, so maybe that's why. Let's see what the ingredients is. Oh, well, the first ingredient is water. Oh, it's got glycerin in it so that can... it's got dimethicone. Is that the one that's meant to be like a silicone? I don't know. A little bit. Yeah, feels really nice. That's nice. And it has actually made my skin quite matte, which is what it says it was going to do. So, pretty good, that one. Right, I don't have the proper foundation. I got a sample because I wanted to try it first because I'm really particular about foundations now I'm getting older. So, I'm just going to try this and we'll see. And I'm pretty sure my shade was like 120. Something like that. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. Ooh, I do like that. And that was only a thin layer. And I imagine if you use a brush, it'll be more full coverage because it does shear it out as a sponge. Now I was advised when I got this, let me just zoom back out a little tiny bit. So I was advised when I got this to do a little setting and then do the rest. It seems to be going nice on my nose, which is unheard of with my nose. Wake up, I rise up. In the morning light, I see the sunrise, but darkness comes around and around again and again and again. Well, I can't see the end. Your eyes, ocean blue, they'll see what you'll become, nothing at all. Oh, they'll see your truth and they don't know that you're not going anywhere. It's really, really nice. I'm going to try and put some more layers. Just to see if I can.
So fucked up, so it seems nothing ever's clear to me. All I wanna do is fall down before the morning.
You definitely need to work fast because it will start to set down, so you do need to do it in sections. That is really, really nice. I'm having no issues whatsoever. Let me just get close. Now, I don't know if it's because of the primer. It's a little bit funky on my forehead, but I don't know whether that's because I should have let the primer set for a bit, or if that's just my dry flaky bits. My skin's been not very nice at the moment, but I'm like really, really impressed. Like, it's really nice on my nose. I'm gonna get a little bit more on the tip of my nose. This is the concealer buffer brush from Zoeva, and I'm just gonna see if I can really buff it into my nose. I'm like really impressed with that. Let me zoom you in. No, I don't know if you can see. Let me. That doesn't do anything. It's not going to do anything. But you can see that it looks really nice. Right, I like that. It's really, really nice. And it doesn't feel too tacky either. I think you could probably get away with not setting it. I'm going to set it with a little tiny bit of powder though later. First I'm going to go in with concealer. This is in the shade 130, which makes me think, what colour is my foundation then? Pretty sure my foundation was 120. Can you have a darker concealer? I don't know. Again, really, really cute packaging. I've not tried this as an eye base, so, and I'm not really sure on the texture. What it was is I got it for my birthday, if you saw my birthday. Ooh, it's a tad yellow. I don't remember it being that yellow when I swatched it, but oh well. That's one, like, dip. I didn't dip twice or anything. Let me just wet my sponge a bit. Bit more on my face as well. That is nice. Definitely brightened my under eye. I don't know if you can tell.
Well, I can't see the end. Your eyes ocean blue. They'll see what you'll become, nothing at all. Oh, they'll see your truth and they don't know that you're not going at me.
That is nice. I like that. Right, I didn't get a setting powder, so I'm just going to use my normal e.l.f. under eye just to set that concealer. Although if you have tried the Fenty powder, let me know if you think I should invest. Right, so that's just quickly set that. I am going to set my face with a little bit of the Urban Decay powder and just a big fluffy brush, just because I like to, you know. But this is just more like a first impressions try in Fenty Beauty rather than a does it work type thing, so I really like that. I just don't want it to be looking too pale in the camera. Right, so I'm going to go in with the bronzer now. This is the In the Sun. So, Again, really, really cute packaging. And if I can open it, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to use my favourite Spectrum A05 brush from the Mean Girls collection. And we'll see what this bronzer's all about. Ooh, that is nice. So it's paler than I thought it was going to be, but it's got a really, really nice undertone. Oh, it builds up quite well. I really like the undertone. It's not a bit orange, so for a pale face like me, that is beautiful. I like the fact that it's buildable. Sometimes you can take a pigmented bronzer and even though you tell yourself don't use too much, you can go a bit like crazy if you're anything like me as well. Just gonna dab some at the side of my nose. And what I do with this brush, I don't know why this brush, like I've got this in other sets, but this is like my favourite one from the Mean Girls, and I just dab it like at the base of my cheekbone. I can feel it and sort of dab the bottom of the brush there, so then that gives me my shape. And then just buff it out. And I like to like swing it round my cheeks, like curving it, because I feel like it gives me like a whew. Yeah, I think this is a fave bronzer. So far, this is beautiful. I don't even care that it's expensive. That is lovely, really, really nice. I'm just going to see, because that's quite a fluffy brush, so if I use my favourite contour brush, which is the Molly O'Brien, I'm going to get a clean one, so we know that it's clean. And I'm just going to see if you can intensify it. Oh yeah, you can, a little bit. This is a denser brush. That is stunning. I really, really like that. What do you think? Do I look chiselled? Right, so we like that. I'm going to go in with highlighter. The only thing is though, I haven't got a blush. So I'm going to go in with the ABH blush kit in, what are you? Oh, Radiant. And I'm going to go in with this shade here. Caught in the crossfire, I touch the blade. There's a rush of fire in my skin. And it's going on the foundation really nicely. Beautiful. So, and then I'm going to do highlighter. Highlighter is, what do you call it? It's called the Kilowatt Highlighter, and you've got Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. So I'm going to go actually, ooh, I think I'm going to go in with both of them. So I'm going to go in with this first, and then I'm going to go with this on top of it. If I can find my brush. So this is a Spectrum A21 brush, so I'm going to go in with that lighter one. Well, not lighter, it's just not as glittery. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's more of a glow. It's beautiful though. I really like that. That is a really, really stunning product. It is literally just a glow. So if you don't like too glittery products, it's like perfect. It's like so, compared to that, it's like more on, like I say, more on the sheer side. It's just beautiful. But I am going to be extra and go in, if I can find my brush, with a different brush with that other side. Just because, why not? Just brings the intensity in, doesn't it? That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I've got a massive spot under my chin. Right, so because I don't like freehanding, the lipstick that I've got is one of the Poutsicle Juicy Satin lipsticks, and I got it in the shade Alpha Doll, which is like a purple pink shade. So I am going to go in with Urban Decay Anna K lip liner just because I can't freehand lipstick. Hopefully now it matches because it looks more purple than pink. So let's do it. I kind of don't want to do it because I'm going to rub off the Fenty Beauty, but this is for YouTube. Yeah, it's totally not the right lip liner colour, but oh well. Oh, that's such a pretty shade.
Your eyes ocean blue. They'll see what you'll become, nothing at all.
That is a really, really stunning colour. I am going to blend in the pink to it though.
I wanna reclaim my innocence, I wanna feel some clarity, but I'm still fucked up, so it seems nothing else.
Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm digging that colour. I mean, just look at that colour. Stunning. And look at that glow. So that is the finished look. What do you think? I really, really love it. I love this lip. I love the foundation. I do like the concealer. I want to carry on playing with it, and my sponge wasn't as wet as I'd like, you know, as damp as I'd normally have it, so I kept having to like respray it. So I don't know if that, because it kind of dragged a bit here where I put the concealer, so I don't know if I want to play around that. The bronzer is beautiful. I really like the bronzer, and yeah, I'm just really, really impressed. Even like, I obviously can't talk about it because I've not tried it out more, but even the primer was nice. It didn't feel silicone-y, and it's just sort of like just calmed my skin down, especially in this hot weather. But yeah, really, really nice. I didn't do a massive amount of foundation. I shaded it out using a sponge, and obviously using a sponge, and I didn't use as much. Because I've only got a sample of it, I can't tell you how much I've used to do my whole face. I just dabbed it on as and when I wanted it. It did build up very nice though, because I did do another layer, and I can't see any cakiness. Let me just look close. No, I can't see any. I mean, my forehead isn't the best anyway, just because it's flaky at the moment. So I'm assuming that's why here it's having a little bit of an issue. I don't think it's the foundation, but it's got on my nose like really, really nicely. It's still like a bit like, not cakey, I don't want to say cakey, but my nose does actually it just slides off and I don't get anything, whereas I've got coverage there, but you can kind of see a few lumps, you know, a few like pores and stuff, but nothing like it's better than anything I've used before. So I am going to keep like practicing, playing with the sample I've got, but I think this is the foundation I am actually going to buy. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you think I should get the setting powder. I don't really want to buy the eyeshadow palettes, but if you think they are amazing, let me know, because I've got so many, I don't really need another one. But I definitely want to get a few more shades of these, because this is a really, really nice lipstick. It feels lovely on, and even like blending it in with this lip liner, which is more pink, I think it looks really, really nice. Or do I look like I'm a 90s reject where it's like the really stark difference? Because to me it looks nice, but who knows what the camera's showing. So if you have enjoyed this, like I say, thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell if you do want to see more from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!